So I'm Juri, one of the founders of Peter Pot. We started in 2019. It was actually a graduation project of mine at the faculty of IDE here at the TU Delft, where I studied and graduated. We try to reduce all the packaging waste, all the plastic, by offering a grocery delivery servicing that delivers your groceries in a package-free way. How we do that is that we deliver groceries in circular jars. So we source groceries at the supplier in bulk, fill our glass jars with these products and deliver the products to your door in this glass jar. And at your next delivery, we take back your empty jars, which we wash and reuse. So there's no waste for the consumers with the small packages, but also at the back end, we try to make this bulk packaging also circular. So for example, olive oil, we get in a tank of 1,000 liter. We fill our jars, the bottles, with olive oil, but this tank of 1,000 liter is also refilled at the supplier. So there's also no waste in the back end. There are also a few suppliers that directly fill our jars. So peanut butter is freshly branded from peanuts directly in our jar. So there's also no packaging in the full chain. So saving waste and creating the example how a circular system can work, so other partners can or players can copy us or work with us. So for example, Kraft Heinz changed their system for us to deliver their De Ruiter Hagelslag, famous Dutch product, in big bags of 600 kilos. And they changed their supply chain for us. So that's an example of how we're changing the system and showing it's possible. So a regular physical supermarket buys their products all in small packages from big suppliers, let's say from Unilever, and sells them in the physical store to consumers. So it's easy, they buy for an X price, they make margin, sell it to consumers, but there's waste, all the packages are. Now, then our business model is we have extra steps in the chain because we source at suppliers directly at bulk, so we have to fill the jars. We do this with social workplaces, so people with a distance to the labor market. And at the end, we also take empty jars back at your delivery. We wash them and reuse them. So the retour delivery, the way back, we pay for it. The washing we pay for it, the filling we pay for it. So our business model is even harder, which makes that we make very, very small margins per order. So in this business model, the average order value is important. You pay for average. You do a grocery order for, let's say, 60 euros. We only have a few euros of margin in the end. And with that, we have to pay off all the operations, the warehouse, the team, the office, etc. So that's the reason why we're not profitable yet. And the volume is very important and very efficient operations. So that's how our business model differs from the others.